Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can build spy network in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the top left corner and click on diplomacy, and right here go to the actions because it will be on relations. So go to the actions, and here you'll see a convert actions, and here you'll be able to build a spy network. So this will allow for more diplomatic actions. So if you click on build spy network, you can select a country that you want to spy. And as you can see that if you wish to build a spy network, it will increase by 1.60 each month. This will allow us to do various convert actions in their country and etc. And here you'll see that monthly diplomats will decline by minus 0.10. So if you click OK, this will tell that eventually you can convert actions like fabricate casus belli and support rebels and etc. And that's pretty much it. That's how you build a spy network in Europa Universalis 5. And here you'll be able to cancel building of spy network. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.